Hey y'all, it's your girl Adoration, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be starting my DIY micro lock install, and I'm kind of nervous, not gonna lie, because I want her to look cute, I want her to look full, I want her to look nice, but I do have fine, low density hair. Fine meaning each individual strand is fine, very skinny, very thin, if you will. Low density meaning I don't have my density per square inch, for example, is not a lot of hair follicles in that little area. So my stylist also told me that I'm medium density. I don't know. My hair kind of thin. I ain't gonna hold you, but we gonna find out today, okay? So as you can see, my part is scalpy to me. But yeah, so I just dyed my hair in preparation for this. I did it 5 days ago. As you can see, she's growing, okay? I've watched a couple of people's videos, and one of the people who really explained how she did her grid was Queen Taekwana, and she made it really easy to understand. And I think I'm gonna go along the lines of that. I know my hair is not gonna be perfect. I don't want the parts to be perfect either. The only thing I want to be perfect is the middle part. And I was trying to decide if I want to do my middle part all the way from the front to the back. And I think I've come to the decision that yes, I do want that, because like if I want to put it into buns or whatever, just having the halves of my head separated, I would prefer a middle part all the way to the back. And yeah, well, we'll see how it goes because I don't have any help. And if I just can't make the middle part straight, then we scrapping that idea. So once I do the middle part to the back, I'm gonna do bricklayer all the way up. That's a bad way to explain it, but enough of me talking. Let's just, oh, well, first I have to wash my hair because I do have some gel in it. I don't have to wash it intensely. I don't have to wash it too much because there's not that much product in my hair. But I am gonna rinse out the gel, and then I'm gonna blow dry it at 11 o'clock at night. I'm sorry, y'all, if y'all hear me. All right, hair is blow dried. I know blow drying might seem counterintuitive, but it will make parting a hell of a lot easier. So that's what I did. Now here's my little last length check. I'm gonna put on my length check t-shirt. I haven't put this on in like 2 years, to be honest. But yeah, I didn't think I did it the whole time I was pregnant. Oh damn, might be closer to 3 years. What'd it say? What'd it say? I don't even remember where I started, but yep. Oh wait, hold on. Was it supposed to be up like this? Right here. What did I say? Almost 9. Yeah. Okay. Almost at the 9th line. It's the next day, and I didn't do anything last night because I fell asleep trying to put Royce to sleep. And that's how that went. I was tired, so I let myself have that. But today is a new day. It is 9 o'clock in the morning, and I'm gonna at least start sectioning. Hi. All right, so I think I got the middle part. Here we go. I'm not trying to have it be perfect, but now I'm still trying to decide even if I want the middle part. Or if I want to just do brick layer all the way across. I mean, it wouldn't look bad without a middle part, right? In the back, I could do like a half middle part situation. So it's crispy in front. I don't know. I'm gonna go look at some more videos. So I think I have a dilemma. I don't know. So, all right, let's give you guys the rundown. I have various hair types in my head. I have anywhere from 3A to 4A, okay? And I was gonna do a middle part all the way to the back because, you know, I like to do 2 buns, etc., etc. And it looks like it'll fill out over time. Even though I'm going to do a middle part, it was still going to be brick layered on the sides, right? So I've been looking at Kiki J and Queen Taquana. I hope I said your name right. I'm so sorry. And they did front or middle part in the front and then just brick layered all the way in the back. So a couple things, right? If I do just the middle part in the front and then just all brick layer in the back, it can help with a few things. Time, well, not time, but just the complexity of it. It might be easier to do it that way, less to think about, since I'll just be going from ear to ear or side to side. And then it will also help with filling in. So the brick layer will also help with filling in. And I won't have one part all the way to the back. I don't know, bro. Oh, my hair ranges anywhere from 3A to like 4A, right? But it's also fine. Like each strand is fine. And it's also what I think is low density, right? So I don't have that much hair in any given section. I don't have that much hair. It's small. Like, look, like I can take this whole half of my head and just go like that. It's skinny, it's small. Like the twist would be small, the braid would be small, whatever. But even if I do the middle part all the way in the back, all the way to the back, I feel like it would look cool. It would look nice when I do, you know, like space buns, and it would also fill out. So I don't think the middle part you'd be able to see it. I never knew that this would be the hardest part. The parting or deciding where you want the part is the hardest part. This is annoying. I don't know what to do. 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 Let's see if I can consult my friends.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So what's easiest for you, if that's the middle part, then go ahead and do that. It'll still look fine. You'll have a handful of dreads. Doesn't matter what the parts look like. Just as long as the parts are clean.
I just want the middle part in the front to be clean.
Yeah, crispy.
Yes. Because that's the only one that's really going to matter. Ugh. All right. I just want you to know, I just spent like 40 minutes trying to make this decision.
I know.
Did she even help? I don't even know. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. 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 Don't know what. I'm gonna think about it. I didn't know that this would be the hardest part.
The hardest part is deciding a part.
Yes, the hardest part is the part. That part. Alright, so I've decided to stick with the middle part because if I want to do styles like space buns or 2 braids going back, it'll just look cleaner with the part down the middle. So yeah, so I'm doing the middle part, full middle part from the front to the back. Papa, I'm trying to make a video, you over here making noise. Oh, I'm doing the middle part from the front to all the way to the back. As you can see. And then I will do a brick layer on each side of the head so that the hair, each lock lays like this as opposed to right on top of each other like this. So instead of this, we're gonna have them brick layers so they lay like this. So it just fills it in a little bit more. So boom, I got pretty far. I'm basically done the first quadrant, right? However, let me get closer, okay? If I turn around like so and I show you my parts, you can see the 1, 2, 3, 4 rows at the top are bigger than these bottom ones. And you know what that means. We got some redoing to do. Yes, so gotta redo that. Gotta redo those 4 rows. And I'm sad. Because I spent some time on this. Damn, man. Alright, this is what I'm gonna do, okay? I gotta come up with a plan. Right now, it's 11:30, right? I'm gonna take out these 4 rows and I'm gonna redo this whole section tonight. Tomorrow morning, I wake up early, we're working on the next section. And then we just go from there. If I gotta go to work with half my head done on Friday, that's what will happen. I'm gonna count it for y'all real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 81, 82. I have 82 on this side, so I had to get another 82 on that side. That's 164. And then I'm really not trying to have more than 250. It looks like I'm gonna have more than 250. No more than 300. That's my max because nobody's doing that. I mean, obviously it's gonna be whatever it's gonna be, but that's my ideal situation. But anyways, here it is. Day 3, I would say tomorrow, but it's actually today, and